Hi guys, it's Carolyn, and today we're making some low-carb peanut butter power granola. First, we just take any mixed nuts that you prefer. It's about 3 cups, and then we're just gonna grind them up in our food processor. It's gonna get loud. Are you ready for this? So you can see that it looks like coarse crumbs, but there's still some nuts in there, some bigger parts in there. And just pour it into a bowl, get them all in there, and you're gonna add the rest of your ingredients. I find that with a little shredded coconut, it kind of has an oatmeal sort of texture. So put that in. Put in some sunflower seeds. I use my favorite low-carb sweetener, Swerve. And to make it power granola, a little extra kick of protein with some whey protein powder. Then we're just gonna mix it all in, and we add our melted butter and peanut butter. How else would it be peanut butter granola? Get it all in there. And I like to put a little vanilla. I put about a ½ teaspoon. And then you're just gonna mix it in until it really resembles, it begins to clump together. If it's not clumping together very well, and you don't quite have enough moisture, you can add a little water. You really just want it to stick together. You just want it to look like granola really would look. It's got a lot of texture, it's starting to clump together. It looks just about right. Then you're simply going to pour it out on a parchment-lined baking sheet. And you want to really spread it out so that it goes all over the baking sheet and it's kind of in one layer. Kind of mush it down, get it all nicely, because this is how it's going to crisp up. It's just going to sit in a 300-degree oven for about ½ an hour. So now the granola has baked, it's cooled, and now it's pretty chunky, so you just kind of want to break it up with your fingers a little to make it into more bite-sized cereal pieces. So you can just put it in a bowl, add some fresh berries, maybe you want a little cream on top, and there you go. You've got a nutritious breakfast ready to go. It's low carb, it's sugar-free, and it's delicious. For this recipe and more, visit alldayidreamaboutfood.com.